Let's talk about Wave invoicing software. So a lot of people talk about Wave accounting, Wave invoicing, Wave billing, but in today's conversation, we want to focus on Wave invoicing software. So here is our verdict. When you think about Wave invoicing software, I want you to think about a comprehensive solution for managing all kinds of invoicing needs. What we love about Wave is that you have a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily create, send, and track invoices without any hassle. That's really cool. And you will also appreciate the customization options available so that you can actually tailor invoices to suit your brand and client preferences. That's kind of important because if you are, let's say you are in a niche that requires some kind of differentiation, you want to have this sort of branding appeal, right? And furthermore, Wave actually helps you streamline the payment process by enabling online payments, making it very convenient for both you and your clients. So you'll have access to insightful reports that provide, let's say, valuable insights into your invoicing and financial performance overall. So you have a clear idea about your cash inflows and cash outflows. That's just really fantastic. And so Wave's invoicing software is not only efficient, but also cost effective in our view, because you have essential features without any hidden fees. Wave has a free part, but also have a paid part. So that's what we call a freemium. Okay, so overall, if you, let's say, if you are looking for a reliable solution in terms of invoicing that simplifies your workflow and enhances your professionalism, Wave could be the right choice for you. And Wave Accounting is actually headquartered in Canada. So this is a Canada-based company that has operations in the States, in Australia, in Europe, in Africa, they are present globally. Okay, so what are the pros and cons when we think about Wave invoicing software? The pros first. Basically, you have an efficient invoicing process with automation, user-friendly and intuitive interface that makes navigation easy, customizable invoices to match branding, convenient online payments for clients, insightful and detailed reports for analysis, and you also have cost-effective service with essential features. What about the cons here? Well, you have limited customization options, stable internet connection requirements for access, limited integration with other software, varying customer support response time, and occasional glitches with software updates. Let's talk about the use cases when you think about Wave invoicing software. Who is this software really best for? Well, if you want to manage small business finances seamlessly, you will love Wave. If you need simple and user-friendly invoicing, if you prefer cost-effective invoicing solutions, if you seek customizable invoicing options for branding, if you want to streamline payment processes online also, you will love Wave invoicing software. If you value insightful reports for financial analysis, we're talking here about cash inflows and cash outflows. If you require basic features without hidden fees, if you run, for instance, a service-based business with a few clients, if you appreciate automation when it comes to invoicing tasks, if you are an entrepreneur starting your own venture, or let's say if you have a small team without a dedicated finance department, you will love the flexibility that Wave invoicing software is instilling into your operations. Who is this software not really right for? I mean, if you are in this category, you want to steer clear away from Wave as possible. So Wave invoicing software may not be the best tool for you if you require extensive software integrations for operations, if you prefer highly customizable invoicing features and templates, if you need advanced project management functionalities alongside invoicing, if you desire 24/7 immediate customer support availability, if you operate in industries with specialized invoicing requirements, for instance, if you demand real-time syncing with accounting software, if you have complex invoicing workflows that require, let's say, automation to a certain extent, if you rely, let's say, heavily on mobile invoicing capabilities on the go, if you expect constant updates and enhancement to features, that's another possibility. If you struggle with a slow internet connection regularly, if you want a comprehensive suite including payroll and HR, or if you prefer a desktop-based invoicing solution over cloud-based platforms, you will love you will not love Wave. Let's talk about Wave invoicing software. What does let's talk about the features really. What does this invoicing software really offers? You have actually several features depending on the plan that you have, right? You have the starter plan, the pro plan. And so when we talk about the starter plan, if you are starting, let's say, your entrepreneurial journey or simplifying your business needs, the Wave invoicing starter plan is tailor-made for you. It offers you essential features, and the best part is it's completely free. Now, don't get me wrong, the completely free part is actually true, but those essential features are kind of limited. So if you want something more than limited features, you might want to go for the pro plan. And so the pro plan allows you to enhance your professional image, save valuable time, and take control of your cash flow. And this is actually a plan that is packed with advanced tools and benefits. And this is the perfect choice for scaling your business efficiently. So you can upgrade to the pro plan for just 16 to 20 bucks per month. This is kind of cool. So what are the details here? Let's break it down. As you can see on the screen, you have the starter plan and the pro plan, right? So the starter plan is actually great if you are just starting your business. So, you can create unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and maintain bookkeeping records hassle-free. You can enjoy the flexibility of accepting online payments, making transactions seamless for both you and your clients. So whether you are in the office or on the go, invoice management is a breeze with the Wave app, and you can keep your finances organized by managing cash flow and customer interactions all within one intuitive dashboard. And you can also gain the flexibility to accept online payments seamlessly, starting at a competitive rate of 2.9% plus a nominal fee of 60 cents per credit card transaction. And this feature really empowers you to cater to diverse payment preferences, facilitating smoother transactions with your clients. So this is kind of cool. And plus, for just $11 per month or $96 per year, you can digitally capture unlimited receipts, ensuring every expense is accounted for. And if you need to streamline payroll or hire a bookkeeper, additional services are available starting from $20 per month or $149 per year. So you can see that basically Wave does have a series of add-ons, if you will. Now the pro plan is more comprehensive, okay? In terms of features, in terms of benefits, you are really great. So basically you can say goodbye to manual data entry with auto import of bank transactions, making reconciliation a breeze. You can auto merge and categorize your bank transactions to further streamline your financial management processes. And with unlimited receipt capture and expense tracking, you'll stay on top of every dollar spent. So this is kind of cool in terms of collaboration. This is really fantastic. Let's talk about Wave invoicing software. What does this software really stand out? Basically, we love the fact that you have an efficient invoicing process, insightful financial reporting, convenient online payments, user-friendly interface. You have automated recurring invoices, and this is kind of cool. So when we talk about Wave, we love the fact that basically you are streamlining the invoicing process so that you can create and send invoices easily, if you will. With intuitive features and customizable templates, you can tailor invoices to suit your brand and client preferences so that you are basically saving time and you can ensure professionalism overall. We love the insightful financial reporting. In other words, you're able to create all kinds of financial reports and financial statements, if you will. Your balance sheet, your P&L, your cash flow statements, your statement of owner's equity, all of those things are possible because basically Wave invoicing software has a constellation of features and modules that can really help you out. You have convenient online payments also, so that you can actually accept online payments. You can also, when we talk about online payment methods, we're speaking about credit cards and bank transfers, wire transfers, among others. So the bottom line here is that you are able to streamline your accounts receivable management. And you have automated recurring invoices. So you can set up invoices to be automatically generated and sent at let's say specified intervals, saving you time and effort in managing repetitive billing tasks. So this, when you really think about this automation, really is great because it helps you maintain consistent cash flow and ensures that you never miss invoicing your recurring clients on time. Now, Wave invoicing software falls short in some elements. For instance, you have inconsistent updates and enhancements. You have limited mobile functionality. Now, stable internet connection is always required because Wave is cloud-based. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, you're not going to be able to use a Wave appropriately. You have integration constraints in some areas. You might also have occasional software glitches. That's very important to keep in mind, especially if you are going to use a Wave on a consistent basis. Let me talk to you about the specs here. So when we think about the Wave invoicing software, how do you set up this software? Well, you want to visit the Wave website and create an account. I mean, everything starts with creating an account. I mean, they'll send you they'll send you through the regular process. They'll send you there is an element of MFA or a 2FA, two-factor authentication, or a multi-factor authentication. So they might actually send you a code to your mobile phone, to your cell phone, and actually ask you to enter it. So make sure that you input your business information accurately. Confirm your email address for account activation. Select Add a Business and enter the details. Choose your preferred currency for transactions. So that will be your primary currency. So it can be a US dollar, and then you can have a secondary currencies like Australian dollar or the British pound or the euro. You know, it really depends. Or the Japanese yen. You want to personalize invoicing preferences and templates. You want to input client details for invoicing purposes. You want to create products, services, or list items you will invoice for. You want to enable online payment options if desired. And you want to send test invoices to ensure functionality, right? You want to make sure the process actually works as intended. Otherwise, you'll be losing money. And that's it. You double check all your configurations for accuracy and start creating and sending invoices to clients. How do you send invoices with Wave invoicing software? The process is pretty simple. You want to log in and access your dashboard. You want to locate and click on Invoices tab. Choose Create Invoice option. Everything is pretty straightforward. You will see it. And you want to enter client item and payment information. Double check for accuracy and completeness. Save unfinished invoices for later editing. And you want to preview how the invoice will appear. Select Send to email it to the client and monitor invoice status and payment updates. You want to record payments and update invoice status accordingly. And you also want to analyze financial reports for insights and trends. So that's kind of cool in terms of seeing the cash inflows and cash outflows. And that could really be helpful in terms of benchmarking analysis over time. Let me talk to you about the extras here. So when we talk about Wave invoicing software, what kind of alternatives can you think about? You have Xero, you have Zoho, you have QuickBooks Online, you have FreshBooks, you have Invoice to Go. You have a lot of players in this very crowded small business invoicing software field. When you think about FreshBooks, I want you to think about FreshBooks when it comes to managing invoices, expenses, and time tracking. When you think about QuickBooks Online, I want you to think about a tool that's great not only for invoicing, but also for accounting, for bookkeeping, for financial reporting in general. For Zoho, we love the fact that Zoho is affordable, and Zoho is part of the Zoho ecosystem, which you can really integrate if you are trying to if you're trying to really streamline your operations. Okay, that's an important element to think about. So that's kind of cool. And so basically, when it comes to Xero, for instance, Xero actually allows you to have customizable invoicing templates and extensive automation options. So that's really good. You have advanced invoicing features such as recurring invoices and batch invoicing. so that you can save time and streamline your invoicing process overall. That's just fantastic. So what are the reviews, the customer reviews here? When we talk about Wave invoicing software, the customer reviews are predominantly positive, okay? And customers love the fact that Wave actually it's simple. So users appreciate the simplicity of creating and sending invoices, along with the ability to customize templates to match brands. So users find Wave's dashboard intuitive, providing a clear overview of financial transactions and outstanding invoices. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. We love that aspect of things a lot as well. However, some users express frustration with the limited customization options and the platform's reliance on internet connectivity. Additionally, with Wave, you have to understand, while the software offers basic accounting functionalities, you might find it lacking in advanced features compared to other software. So this is something to really think about, especially if you want something more comprehensive. You have to you have to upgrade. So if don't just sit in the free plan, you want to upgrade to the next plan, to the pro plan, so you can actually unlock all the capabilities that this software can actually bring to the table. Let me give you a few pro tips here. When we think about Wave invoicing software, there are certain pro tips you should consider when using the software. You want to maximize template customization. In other words, you want to tailor your invoices to your brand. You want to utilize recurring invoices. So what happens here is that you want to automate regular billing cycles. You want to enable online payments. So you want to accelerate client payments processing. You want to stay organized with categories. So categorize expenses for clarity. That's kind of cool in terms of having like instilling a layer of granularity into your operations. You want to set up automatic reminders. So you want to ensure timely payment follow-ups. You want to sync bank accounts. So what you want to do is you want to streamline transaction tracking easily. You want to explore report options, analyze financial insights for growth. And you want to utilize also mobile apps. So Invoice on the go is really great in terms of convenience. And you want to back up data regularly. So you want to protect against potential data loss. And you always want to stay updated, right? So you can benefit from new features and improvements. So the recap for this conversation is that when it comes to managing your invoicing needs, you'll find Wave invoicing software to be a reliable solution. I mean, it's a globally known solution, by the way. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily create, send, and track invoices, empowering you to stay organized and professional. And you will appreciate the customizable templates that allow you to reflect your brand's identity in every invoice. And Wave's option to accept online payments ensures that you have prompt payments from your clients, enhancing your cash flow, especially your cash inflows. Additionally, the platform offers you essential accounting features without any hidden fees, making it a cost-effective choice for small businesses and freelancers who are just starting out, okay? And so overall, Wave simplifies your invoicing process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. So what is the bottom line here? In today's conversation, we talked about Wave invoicing software. So I give you the verdict, the use cases, the features, the specs, the extras, and now the pro tips. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.